Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to rebuild an original Nintendo controller. So real easy. You have to buy a rebuild kit from eBay. Just type in NES rebuild kit controller and you should get what you need. And it's like 3 pieces. It's $5. So we're going to jump right into it. Just need a Phillips screwdriver. Nintendo made it nice and easy. This might be the first and only time they did that, but yep. And make sure you don't lose your screws. So now we're done with that. Let's pull the back off. And here's the inside of your Nintendo controller. So pretty simple. You got a loop here. Got to get loose. That's what kind of holds the cord from getting yanked completely off the board. So we're just going to lift that up. Comes right off. And there they are. This is what we need to change. So, and here's the rebuild kit. Very, very close to what you see on the stick, the joypad. There's your 4 buttons. Nice and easy trade out. All you gotta do is swap them out. So swap out these. You ain't even gotta take them out. So there's one. Take out the start and select. It's a little different, the start and select is on this one, but it bothers it none. And the last one. Of course you want to make sure this is all clean too. It does have some discoloration here that I could clean up. But you just put it back on like you took it off. Pretty simple, right? Now, another thing that I would highly recommend is make sure you don't pull on these. But you can see where, you know, up, down, left, right, whatever, start, select, A, B. You can see the spots. And you can see this is, it's not bad, but it's a little dirty. It's a little dirty. Not bad at all, though, considering. So, what I do is I use an eraser. You guys remember these, right, from school? And just give it a scrub in those areas. Sometimes it'll come clean. Sometimes it'll just make the connection nice. So, I'm just going to give her a little scrub. It's amazing. I just didn't know what these, look at that already. See the filth that got off of it? That was clean. Let's see if we can see a difference. See how black that is in the middle? Yeah, you don't want to keep going till you screw the trace up. So I'm just going to give it just a little buff. Just clean it off. You can see how black that is. That's all the filth. And that'll stop it from contacting, when you're in mid-game and that crazy jump and it didn't connect and you die. Oh, it's not fun. One. You can tell the difference. But you just keep doing this on all your connectors. When you're all done and everything looks pretty good, give it a little wipe with some alcohol wipe, Q-tip, alcohol, whatever you got. Just get some alcohol on there. See, look at the mess that's already coming off of there. So once you get that cleaned up, that's pretty good. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, that looks good. Looks like the contacts will actually connect now. Okay, so once you're done with that, you just put this back in to the face. And don't forget to run your loop around here so your wire doesn't come out when you're upset and you throw your game across the room. Controller. Alright, so put your back on. Make sure it's all lined up good, you know. Let's see. Alright. So now, you hear it? Yeah. So, yeah, my mic sucks, so if you heard that, did a great job. So now, let's put the screws back in. See, was not hard at all, was it? So now it's clean. It's got brand new buttons, and it's gonna work great. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, have a tech day.